My name is Joseph Mayer, and I am interested in pursuing a career in physical therapy with a focus on sports and athletes. I've chosen physical therapy as my front runner for a career path for multiple reasons. Throughout the entirety of my life, I have been involved with sports, either playing them in grade school, high school, and college, or coaching them at the high school and recreational levels. I enjoy working with athletes in different facets, but physical therapy stuck out to me when I was injured my senior year of high school. I tore my meniscus before the beginning of football season and had arthroscopic knee surgery. I was projected to be out 6 to 8 weeks, but with the help of an amazing physical therapist, I was able to return in 3. I can remember going through the physical therapy process, and as a result, I came out stronger and faster than before I was injured. From that point on, I knew that working with injured athletes would be a rewarding field for me to set my career sights on. According to the American Physical Therapy Association, a physical therapist is a highly educated, licensed healthcare professional who can help reduce pain and improve or restore mobility, in many cases without expensive surgery, and often reducing the need for the long-term use of prescription medications and their side effects. Becoming a PT would be a very rewarding career alone. However, accomplishing my ultimate goal of working with athletes as a sports medicine therapist would be a bonus. A sports medicine therapist is defined as a PT that specializes in working with injured athletes. They diagnose athletes and develop rehabilitation plans with the goal of full recovery, specifically focusing on athletes that require therapy after injury or surgery would keep me involved in sports throughout my career. Sports medicine therapists are the preferred experts used by sports teams nationwide in designing plans for optimizing workouts and preventing injury, as well as addressing and healing injury after it occurs. For this reason, I am most interested in working within the field of sports medicine therapy. Athletes are not only driven to regain strength and performance that has been lost through injury or surgery, they are also interested in preventative methods and practices. A sports medicine therapist informs athletes of the necessary movements, proper form and movements, and techniques that will prevent injury and result in optimal performance. The first step in becoming a physical therapist is to obtain a bachelor's degree in kinesiology, which is a step I am currently in at California Baptist University. Next, you will need to attend a Doctor of Physical Therapy degree program. I am currently interested in this program at University of Southern California in Los Angeles, as well as Western University of Health Sciences in Pomona, California. After you receive your doctorate, it is necessary to become licensed in your state to practice physical therapy, at which time you can optionally complete a residency and become board certified. Some professional organizations available for physical therapists to become members of include the American Physical Therapy Association, the Commission on Accreditation in Physical Therapy Education, the Federation of State Boards of Physical Therapy, and the Physical Therapy Political Action Committee. A few additional reasons I would like to pursue a career in physical therapy sports medicine is to help my children to grow in their athletics, help them through injury, and to give them optimal training as they grow. My own physical fitness level will benefit from a career in physical therapy as well. Being a fit professional is a must in the physically demanding field of physical therapy. Lastly, becoming a part of an athlete's recovery story would be a very rewarding part of my career as a physical therapist. Thank you for your time, and I hope this presentation gave you insight into physical therapy and why I am interested in pursuing this career.